So, what would you be doing if you were back on Etheria right now and not, you know, a prisoner on an alien ship?
I guess maybe I'd go teleporting all around Etheria, visiting the other princesses in their kingdoms. If it were a really perfect day, Beau, Adora, and I would be having a sleepover. We'd raid Bright Moon's kitchen for cake, and then we'd eat it with our hands right off the platter.
We used to have those.
What?
Sleepovers, me and Adora, when we were cadets in the Horde. We'd play tricks on Kyle. Stay up all night whispering about, you know, whatever.
Did Adora still thrash around all night and, like, sleep fight? What was that about?
She always did that. Adora can't even relax when she's asleep.
I miss them. I was so awful to them the last time we saw each other. I'd do anything to go back and make it right. What about you? What would you be doing if you were back on Etheria?
Nothing. There's nothing for me on Etheria.